Hi guys, now we're going to Best Buy to pick up my new GoPro Hero 9. So it's Black Friday, so I don't know how busy it is, but I hope we don't wait that long. So see you. What's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's another unboxing video, and we are gonna unbox my new GoPro Hero 9. So I'm just gonna tell you guys the two reasons why I bought this GoPro. So first things first is I booked a trip to Baltimore, Maryland in celebration for our first wedding anniversary. And because of the whole COVID situation, they released a new travel restriction. So the thing is, if we travel out of the state, we are required to quarantine for 5 days, even though we tested negative for the COVID test. So that 5 days that I can't work, that will just kill my paycheck. So we rescheduled our Baltimore trip. We just had a plan B, which is to go to Poconos, because Poconos is in the mountainside of PA. So it's a nice spot, and at the same time we're still in PA, so we're good. I can go back directly to work the following day. So yeah, that's the first reason, because I booked 2 activities. So for the morning activity, we're gonna ski, and in the afternoon we're gonna go to the water park. And I don't want to use my iPhone 12 Pro Max, even though they say that this is a waterproof phone, but I just don't trust it. So that's the first reason. The second reason is it's Black Friday. So yeah, it's crazy. Everything's on sale. So I got $50 off from the original price of this GoPro, and I bought this on Best Buy. Since we have a Best Buy credit card, they gave us a $50 electronic gift certificate in return. So eventually we save $100 for this one. So that's pretty much a good deal. Yes guys, that's the 2 reason. And I'm always a GoPro fan. If you just like scroll down to my videos, my first YouTube videos were all shot by GoPro. So I love the camera. That's my first vlogging camera. I had the GoPro Hero Silver. That's my first ever GoPro, and then I upgraded to GoPro Hero 5. The next year I upgraded to the GoPro Hero 6, and yeah, it became a yearly thing too. So after that I upgraded to the GoPro Hero 7 Black. And before I moved here in the US, I was just thinking if I still need the GoPro, because at that time I was trying to pay for my medical expenses, because I want to help Ryan pay for the process in getting here. So I paid St. Luke's for 16,000 pesos. So I just decided to, okay, I'll just sell my GoPro Hero 7. The only reason that I want the GoPro in the Philippines because I travel to like tropical places and I do open diving. So yeah, I really need the GoPro to capture those moments. So when I moved here, I was just like, I don't think there's like nice beaches in here, or there's like diving spots, unless we go to Hawaii or Florida or something. So I was just like, okay, I'll just sell my GoPro. I'll just use some money to pay for my St. Luke's medical, and then that's it. Hero 8 came out and I just like, I don't really need it, so I didn't get it. So now we're down to the Hero 9, and then because I need it, so I bought it. Bag you get, of course, the new GoPro Hero 9, and then this is the charger, the battery, and the mount, because it always like comes with one mount, and this is for the sliding, and this is the screw. So that's it. And you get this instructions, like the manuals, as always. So now this is the new GoPro Hero 9. So this is the first GoPro. So they put like a screen in here, so you can like literally see yourself and your recordings. That's a good thing that I skipped Hero 8 and I bought this one, because yeah, this is like the start of their new generation of GoPro that has a screen in front of the camera. So yeah, this is pretty clean. This is just it. And I really know how to use GoPro because I've been using this camera for so long now. So for this new GoPro Hero 9, it's nice because you can just like click that and the camera goes flat like this one. So if you want to mount your GoPro, then you just click this and then you attach this one and then you put the screw. And then that's it, you're good to go. So I got this memory card, SanDisk Extreme Plus. If you want to buy this, I will link it in the description box below. Just check it out. That's everything of my vlogging setup. So I just want to like show you guys, because the last GoPro that I have was the Hero 7 Black, and this is kind of new because with the Hero 7 Black, the battery, as far as I can remember, was in here. So I just need to like switch it and then it opens and then I put in the battery, and I think here was just like the port for charging. So with this Hero 9 Black, the battery is right here. So I think the Hero 8 Black, which was last year that I missed, it was set up like this already, so I didn't know. So this is pretty much new to me, so I'm just gonna show you guys how to open this battery thing. So first is you gotta put your GoPro like this one, and this, as you can see, this notch right, this thing right here, you just put it up, slide it up, and then it opens. So I'm gonna insert my battery like this one, and then that's it, you're good to go. So I'm just gonna like pause this video. I'm gonna like open my memory card. I'm gonna insert this too.
A few moments later.
So this is my micro SD right here. This is the charging port. So right here is for the memory card. Okay, I think it's in the other way around. Perfect, is it? So you gotta just push it like that until it like leveled up with the, oh my god, I'm so sorry for my camera. So you gotta push the micro SD facing up until it levels the battery, and then when you close it, it's just the same process. Do this, you turn this up, and then you close it, and it's like that.